Oh, so I'm gonna try spread. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess because the field never froze and our hydraulic oil is good. It never froze, so the snow's on the ground as an insulator, and it's just gonna be a mess. Them tractors look so shiny sitting over there. It's amazing what waxing and buffing paint can do to a piece of equipment. It wasn't but 2 times opening and closing this gate that this thing spun again. It spun again, so screw it. It can just sit on the ground for all I care. Yeah. Got the boots all hosed off again, so that way we don't get manure and schnutz in the tractor cab. But there's a downfall to rubber boots. There's such a downfall to rubber boots that I don't really know how in the world you'd get around them. Because rubber boots are twice as slick on ice as regular boots are. Yeah, that makes things interesting. Well, let's get with it. Well, I don't think taking a chance and running the machine out of fuel would be the smart thing to do. Well, that's better. At least now I won't have to push the machine. What I should have done last night, but I wasn't thinking about it, was grade these ruts around here, because when we bring the skid loader out, I was told not to let the thing on a hill anymore, to kind of go sideways, so that's what I did, and I'm paying the consequences for not grading my ruts. Oh yeah. Good luck with that. At least what you can do is knock the high spots down of the ruts and kind of swat them out that way. But I got no idea how today's gonna go, other than load light, don't make a mess, and don't rut the field up. I think we can handle it. too heavy. I don't think I'm too heavy. Oops. Forgot auto four-wheel drive don't work. But that's alright. At least manual four-wheel drive works, so that's all that matters. Now the way you get around, like say for instance you don't have a slop gate on your manure spreader like we do, what you would do is you would just wait until it come time to clean the barn out, plus haul the manure from the barnyard. You would kind of make like a tailgate with the pen pack, with the manure from inside the barn. You would put that at the back of the spreader. You would put that at the back of the spreader, tuck it in real tight. So that way, hopefully, the liquidy stuff stays in place, doesn't run all over. Let's see. I think this is all the further down I want to go. And what I mean by a slop gate is just basically that. It keeps the slop and the schnutz in. You forgot to change your web. Well, pooey. I don't have a spring on this because usually when I'm rolling, I can do, you know, the bouncing through the field and all that will let that jiggle back to where it needs to go. So, yeah, I forgot to do that. But, you know, stuff happens. Stuff happens. Look at it fly, would you? Let it fly. And he said don't turn with the web on, or keep starting and stopping it, because that is too hard on that thing to keep doing that. So we will just keep going around and around and around until the thing is empty. Alright, now I can slow way up. Start heading back the other way. Give our slop gate a little shaky shake. Like that. Let the thing run out. Shut everything off. Shut the slop gate. And then we'll go back for another load. Now let's go see. Yeah. Loaded that one a little more modestly. Stupid cab fogging up, but the defroster, I forgot to turn the defroster on, so defroster does its job when operated correctly. I don't know, now I'm starting to second guess myself. Maybe 9 miles an hour was a hair too fast. I don't know. Maybe like 7, maybe? Or I don't know. I'm just gonna roll with it. Because that's all the more that I can do is just go with it. It's hard to tell from the cab where that web needs to be. Just about when you see it crust over the back of the spread. Well, no. Right there, I think. Yes. Well, so if things just haven't gone from bad to worse, yeah. Locks are froze, gates are froze to the ground. It's just, no, I want a propane torch, because with a hammer you get the thing all beat back and you won't retract. So we're just going to I gotta make sure that the gate's shut, because I got a bad feeling that, okay, that little gate there is shut. Okay, now I gotta go find me a torch. So I'm gonna walk down here, pen these cows back in, or I mean let them back in the barnyard, take my skid loader up, let it up there by the top barn so that I'm ready to go, and so I can quit screwing around with this down here. Yeah, it's just aggravating. Got that all cleaned up. What the heck is that big ball in the sky? I haven't seen that for a while. Alright, so I found me a torch. Close that. Come on. Stupid little tab is broke right there. Darn it. Let's see. Well, there. That makes things a little bit easier. I tell you what, I hate ice. Try and back past that so I can get out and slip and fall. Even though I did throw salt down right there, but I don't know if it'll help. That stuff there don't look near as runny as the other stuff did. I know I'm sitting on ice, which is a big no-no. Let's see if I can get out of here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Don't touch the throttle. And away we go. Because touching the throttle is bad when you start to spin. It just makes things worse. Yeah, I think 7.5 is more suitable for spreading manure. That 9-mile-an-hour stuff too fast. Well, so we're all done spreading manure. Time to clean the thing off like we always do. Because if you don't, like especially these axles, shovel works better two-handed. Like especially like these axles. There was a 195 down at that auction we went to, that just was all rotted out from, you know, it was just rotted out. Yeah, a week in the shop and a welder. You probably could have had the thing back to running condition, but why let it get that bad in the first place? All it takes is a couple minutes with either a shovel or a scraper and just taking and scraping this stuff off. This whole corner here had a rust spot in it. And again, that was from not cleaning the manure off of it. Stuff's freezing already. But this was all rotted out. So you just take a shovel, like I said, and you just scrape away at it. This over here was rotted out on it. It was a, you know, good sized spreader, but you just gotta take care of stuff. That's just the long and the short of it, is you just gotta take care of this stuff. And when it gets warmer out, not today because it's like in the 20s, this thing's gonna get a bath. It's going to get a bath to help knock all that manure off of it and stuff of that nature. So we'll bring it back after we get it all scraped off. I'm gonna see if this skid steer will climb up the where I swatted the manure down with the bucket. Definitely getting deep, and the ground was thawing out.